The sun is lower in the sky now that it's fall, and this south-facing table here gets too much sunlight. They get too hot this time of the day, or this time of the year, and I had to move them, almost all of them, over here to this table, which gets less sun. I just can't keep enough water on these guys over here. It's still pretty warm. It's going to be in the 90s, mid-90s today, so that dries that soil up pretty quick. These are the pea plants that I used for microgreens. Harvested them and dumped them out of the tray and put them along the fence here. And you can see they're starting to bloom. It's October 5th and the peas are starting to bloom. Not sure if I'm going to get peas out of them yet this year, but we'll see. I figured that they would hold over the winter and then bloom in the springtime and give me peas in the spring, but they're blooming now, so we'll see what happens. Yesterday I started this new batch of cabbage, and this morning I had it covered up all last night, and this morning I noticed that it was starting to get some mold in there. You can't see it now. Actually, I pulled it out. I took a scoop, I scooped out the section. My experience, once you start to get mold on these things, is the seeds don't germinate very well and they don't grow very well. So hopefully, by taking that section out that had the mold in it, I will save the rest of this tray. That's my hope. We'll see. That mold issue was a big problem when I was reusing the dirt. Hopefully, and this is new dirt, so I shouldn't have had mold in it, but I did get some mold, so hopefully this will be able to, by pulling that part that molded out, I'll be able to save the tray.